effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of southeastern Texas. At 4 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Rose Hill, moving northeast at 90 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Tomball. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters report large tornado rapidly crossing Graham Parkway 99, with Doppler radar confirming intense wind speeds over 150 miles per hour. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Rose Hill, Tomball, Tomball Hills, Huffsmith, Shenandoah, and the Woodlands. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is an extremely fast-moving, violent tornado. This tornado is exceeding highway speeds and will be in the Tomball area.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.